Hello. Welcome back to Smart Science, your ultimate destination for exploring the wonders of science and education. Today, we're uncovering the fascinating journey of how science helps create life outside the human body. Yes, we're talking about in vitro fertilization, or what you may know as the process of making a test tube baby. Have you ever imagined how doctors can help couples struggling to conceive by creating a baby in a lab? Stay tuned, because today, we're going to explore the step-by-step process of IVF. So, what exactly is a test tube baby? It's a baby conceived outside the mother's body, in a laboratory, through a method called in vitro fertilization, or IVF. This revolutionary technique has given hope to millions of couples facing infertility. Let's break down the IVF process into 6 key stages. 1. Ovulation stimulation. First, the woman's ovaries are stimulated using special hormones to produce multiple eggs. This increases the chances of success. The growth of these eggs is closely monitored through ultrasounds and blood tests. 2. Egg retrieval. Once the eggs are ready, they are gently retrieved from the ovaries using a fine needle, guided by ultrasound. This is a quick procedure done under light sedation. 3. Sperm collection. Meanwhile, a sperm sample is collected from the male partner or a donor, which is then prepared in the lab. 4. Fertilization. Now comes the exciting part, fertilization. The eggs and sperm are combined in a petri dish. Sometimes, a single sperm is directly injected into an egg through a process called ICSI, or intracytoplasmic sperm injection. 5. Embryo culture. The fertilized eggs, now embryos, are kept in an incubator for a few days to develop. 6. Embryo transfer. Finally, one or more healthy embryos are transferred into the woman's uterus. If everything goes well, the embryo implants in the uterus, leading to pregnancy. After the transfer, the woman might need to take medications to help the embryo implant and grow. A pregnancy test after about 2 weeks will confirm if the procedure was successful. IVF success rates depend on many factors like the woman's age and overall health. But thanks to advancements in science, these rates are improving every year. Isn't it amazing how science brings hope and joy to so many families? That's the beauty of IVF, a process that's truly a testament to human innovation and compassion. If you enjoyed learning about the IVF process, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Smart Science for more such exciting content. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay curious, stay inspired.